They're in B, they're in B, I repeat.
Buang dun.
They're in B. Wala. Wala na mag-Manila. Tayo kanan doon, nawa. Ogoy, usado.
Left. Uy. Buang na.
Ito ba mga napukabuk na.
Okay, nice one.
Kana. Napusa. Napu.
Nice one.
I'm gonna use Picoy Master again, don't worry. Ayaw mo pagkabala ka, guys.
Yawan, nagpasa kumama sa own
Flash bomb.
Dito bro,
bulok bro.
Dito tadi makatan. Bisa ini mag-game mo pala sila na
Flash bomb. Flash bomb. Lumbaan si. Ang kagiyata. Isa daw ka is nito.
Tigo ni horotnya. Horot oi.
Bakang pisan pa rin. Super iwan ba save na lang. Sige, kadayo sige di bato. Layo.
Kita.
Ganon. Bibi.
Alright, these kills right there, amazing kills by this pistol. How could it happen? Bro, baka peto, uy! Oh my god, amazing skill. Oh my god, what in the hell is happening right now? Is he going to kill everyone? Oh my god, this is amazing. He killed the gate guy. Is he going to defuse? This is the question of humanity. Oh no, that failed.
Oh my god. Short one guys, short.
-50 mid, 4 mid. Easy kills, dude. Easy kills, dude. Dead.
Oh, Joanne.
Atras! Kapag namatay, one clip na ano.
Atras so hard, you can never stop. 'Cause I never.
Oh, give me the cow. Sige. Oh, gay ko go off, be. Gay ko go off. Can someone drop off? Ada, Dennis. Na? Ah!
Nice one then. Alright, let's see what will next. Oh my gosh. He killed it with the back. Alright. Shot. They think the bomb is at 8. What an amazing disturbing skills with freaking Linux. Mike Man with his amazing bombing skills. Oh my gosh.
Where's he gonna go? Oh, he's gonna take.
The enemy thought it was an enemy. The enemy.
Shit! Holy mother! What's happening?
Asa.
Layo na tayo.
Oh my gosh, what an amazing.
Asa ba?
Clutch this round, so GG.
What?
Round,
Yeah, what an amazing bombing planning skill from Mike Man. Give freaking encore to Mike Man.
I'm big confident. Sorry ba, nagbinawang na ko. Ang bulukas, ano yung malaki sa radyo?
Oh my gosh, you can do
Isa
it.
ba?